You know, I've been through some really bad breakups in my life. And when I say bad, I mean the way they made me feel, because it was a mess every time. But what they did do is they taught me some valuable lessons that I want to share with you today, because if you're currently struggling after a breakup, then I think the lessons I learned might really help. By the way, my name's Andy O'Neill. I'm a life coach who specialises in helping people recover after a breakup, get over their ex and move on to a bigger and better life. So if you're currently struggling after a breakup, then make sure you hit the subscribe. So lesson number 1, trying to get your ex back is never going to work. Now look, before anyone comes after me in the comments, can two people get back together after they break up? Yeah, of course they can. But it should happen naturally. It shouldn't be your whole life's focus. You see, because while you're focusing on trying to win your ex back, you're not healing, you're not progressing, because your whole life becomes about them. You need to let it go. Now, I know you've got all these online gurus telling you that they've got surefire ways of trying to win them back by going no contact and sending the magical text message or the magical letter. But they're relying on your hope. They're feeding on your hope. You need to let go of the hope, because once you do, you will start to heal. And I know it's hard, because I found it hard. But trust me, the minute you let it go, the minute you accept that this is over, everything will start to change. Lesson number 2, your breakup pain will not last forever. I know it feels like it does. I know you're convinced it will. I know your ex is special and they're different, and so, yeah, other people can move on, but I can't. I'm gonna feel this pain forever. I thought exactly the same. Exactly the same. Now, am I stood here saying I still love my exes? No, I don't. Do I still care about them? Yeah. If I found out something bad happened to one of them, I'd be gutted. But I'm not in love with them anymore. And believe me when I say there was a time when I never thought I would feel this way. But I do. And all it takes is time. Now, for some people, that time can be pretty quick. For others, it can take a while. And those are the people that I predominantly coach. Those who are stuck, unable to let go of that feeling, unable to let go of that love. But love does diminish, it does reduce, and it does get easier. The reason why you're so convinced it won't go away is because you're still in love. You're coming from the perspective of someone who's very much still in love with their ex. So of course, you can't envisage a life without them. You're not going to, because it doesn't feel like it's possible, because the feelings are too strong. But once them feelings start to fade, you will get over them. It won't last forever. So lesson number 3, your breakup is the biggest opportunity you'll ever get to change your life. You just don't realise it right now. You see, when I think back to all of the things I've achieved in my life, some of the big things, they've all got one thing in common. A lot of them all come after a breakup. Now, I'm not saying this will happen straight away, because you've got to deal with the emotion, you've got to deal with the pain, you've got to deal with the grief. You've got to accept that your ex is gone and come to terms with it. But once you do, this provides you with a massive opportunity, because you'll now have the motivation, the fuel and the desire to go and change your life. And you can. You can change your life in so many ways. This is an opportunity for you to look at you, to assess you, to stop thinking about your ex and focus on you. Where do you want to be in 5 years' time? Where do you want to be in 5 months' time? And how are you going to get there? This is your opportunity to plan the next stage of your life. You just need to let go of the last. And once you do, once you let that go, things will start to improve, and you will build that life that you've always dreamed of. So look, I really hope that some of these lessons I learned are going to be helpful for you, especially if you're going through a breakup right now. And these are just some of the lessons that I learned. I learned a lot more, and I've put a lot of them in my new ebook. So if you're interested in that, if some of these lessons resonated with you and you want to hear more, then make sure you click the link in my description, sign up for my new ebook. But for now, I want you to take these lessons, I want you to think about them, I want you to recognise that your breakup isn't the end. It's the beginning. It's the beginning of the next chapter, and it's not being written yet. That's down to you. Nice one for watching, and I'll see you in the next. Laters.